Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. In this video, we are going to talk about Google Docs. We will explore how to use Google Docs voice typing to write faster and more efficiently using your voice. I will guide you through how to enable voice typing, use voice commands for punctuation and formatting, and improve accuracy for everyday writing tasks. Whether you are creating documents, drafting content, or taking notes hands-free, this tutorial will help you save time, boost productivity, and make the most of Google Docs voice typing. So right now we have already opened Google Docs. I'm using web version, okay, but if you have a software you can use that too. It works same on both sides, okay. So for the voice typing feature to enable, you have to go into the tool sections. So as you can see that there's a tool section option, so I'll just click on this. After clicking on this, you will see a lot of options like spelling and grammar, word count, review suggested, compare document citations, e-signature, line number, linked objects. But after that, you will see voice typing. You can also enable this feature by clicking Control Shift S. Once you click Control Shift S, or you just select the voice typing, you will see on the left side a mic option. Okay, so when you want to speak, you just click on this and it will start writing. So let's try. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. What about you? How's how is your day going so far? So as you can see that whatever I have just spoke here, it has started writing, and you can see the what he has written here. Okay, so that's how basically you can enable and use voice typing in Google Docs. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.